Work at home jobs in 2018 and how you can start making anywhere from $500 a week to $2,000 per week and beyond. That is what we're going to be talking about in this video, so stay tuned. How's it going, everybody? My name is Marissa Romero and welcome to the channel if you are new, and if you're a loyal subscriber, thank you so much. For those of you that are new, what I talk about on this channel is all things make money online, whether you're looking to start a side hustle or full-time income online. That is my job on this channel, is to share all the knowledge I've acquired in the past couple years of being an online entrepreneur. I talk about things like e-commerce, affiliate marketing, sales funnels, email marketing, tips and tricks to boost your sales and online business, and even the topics like lead generation. So if any of that is your jam, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell, because that is what you can expect on this channel on a daily basis, and so you won't want to miss a thing. Now, if you're excited about today's video and working from home, maybe you're aspiring to work from home, you're still at your 9 to 5 and you just want to work at the comfort from home, go ahead and type in work from home in the comments if this is something you're looking to do. Maybe you're you have a full-time job, you're a full-time mom or dad, and you just want that freedom to be able to work. And like me, I'm in just a regular t-shirt today and my gym shorts. I really don't dress up. Maybe once or twice a week if it's date night or if I'm going out with my friends. So, my goal of this video is just to introduce to you guys some ideas that might be helpful as you're looking to work from home. Now, I wanted to talk about a concept that may sound obvious, but it's a must mention, I guess you can say, because some people don't really think about it. So what I would advise you to do to work from home is, if you're in your current position where you can maybe ask your boss or your supervisor if you can work from home, because maybe you're teleworking 2 to 3 times a week, and maybe you can turn it into a full-time position. So you can negotiate with your boss and whether or not you can work from home. But if not, maybe I would like to introduce you to this one website called nomadlist.com. And for those of you that don't know, I am a digital nomad. I do not have a permanent place of residence. I'm traveling around the world, working from anywhere with the freedom of having a laptop internet connection. And so I wanted to point out this website, nomadlist.com, because if you click right here on remote jobs, well, first of all this website is about places you can work and information about being a digital nomad in the most popular cities all around the world. So this is pretty cool, because the first 6 months of 2018, I was in Thailand and also Bali, Indonesia. I was going back and forth. So this is pretty cool. So when you click on remote jobs, it takes you to this place, or this tab right here. So you can type in a remote job you'd like to do anywhere and pick the category that you'd like to go into, like remote jobs, software development, customer support. So it's really cool, the options that you can do here. So I highly recommend taking a look at this website, Nomad List, and also just look around for different, on a lot of different platforms nowadays. People are wanting to hire remote. So for example, this website right here, Zapier.com, if you look at the top right, they said we're hiring work remotely. So it's very popular nowadays, kind of to turn your own job into remote work, or to go out and look for a specific job, and your requirement is it has to be a remote job. So that is the first piece of advice and first type of job you can have to work from home. The second job I wanted to talk about was being specifically a graphic designer. So this is kind of freelance work. This falls into the category of freelance work. But if you can become a graphic designer, so whether that's making graphics for a website, for a YouTube channel, for Instagram posts and stuff like that, banners and different social media graphics for people's businesses, you can expect to make, a solid amount of money, especially if you're a graphic designer in the US. People typically make between $20 to $45 per hour, which equates to, what is that, $3,000 to $7,000 per month. So that's a pretty healthy salary if you're looking to get started in the freelance world with graphic design. So you can start slow by going on websites like Fiverr.com, also Upwork.com, 99 Designs. I think it's freelance.com, I'm not sure. But you can go to those websites and start as a graphic designer, maybe charge a little less in the beginning so that you build up your clientele work and your reviews, and you have a portfolio to show. But the more reviews you get and the more ratings you get from customers, the higher you can charge in the long run. Another work from home job that you can consider doing is being a Facebook ads manager. So this will require you the skill of learning the craft of Facebook ads. And this is actually one thing that I do, one skill set that I have. I'm able to run Facebook ads for businesses from anywhere as long as I have an internet connection. You will have to learn Facebook ads though. And so one way you can start learning Facebook ads if you don't already have that skill is you can go to a website called udemy.com. And on this website, they have tons of courses, very inexpensive. You could probably get a Facebook ads course for less than $100 where you can teach you how to run ads for business. And it's a skill that you would need if, let's say, you have your own business and you're trying to grow it or market it online. But with Facebook ads, it's a skill that is in super high demand right now, and I anticipate it will be for the next 10 years. If you could learn Facebook ads, you could learn anything. YouTube ads, Google ads, Bing ads, because in my opinion, Facebook ads are the hardest type of ads to learn and run and analyze the data and scale and stuff like that. But I would highly suggest to learn this skill and start to market yourself as somebody that can do Facebook ads and manage people's Facebook ads. You can also start marketing your service once you learn the skill on those same websites I talked about when I talked about being a graphic designer. The other thing I wanted to mention about being a Facebook ads manager is you can expect to make anywhere from $200 a month to $2,000 a month per client, and that is kind of a monthly fee on an ongoing basis. A friend of mine actually charges more than that. So, if you acquire, 10 clients, that's a very, very, very healthy salary that you can have. I have actually a friend of mine who has a very successful social media agency. He runs Facebook ads as his primary type of business, and his business is now doing anywhere between $35K a month to $50K a month. So you can see how the more clients you get, you can make more money and start to outsource people to do the work for you. The next remote job and work from home job I wanted to mention is being a social media manager. Now, this doesn't require the most technical skill as Facebook ads. So this is simply typically where somebody you choose to manage a business's or an individual's social media. So that includes scheduling their content to be posted on their Facebook fan pages, their Instagrams, their Pinterests, and stuff like that. So that would require you probably to get services for them where you can post and schedule out posts to happen throughout the week. Maybe that requires you to do a little bit of copywriting, so saying a little bit about the post or the picture or whatever it is. It's a great tool to have because businesses are too busy to post their own content and upload it, so they hire a social media manager to oversee all the content that's going out, what is up and coming for the week, so that they don't have to worry about it. Now, the last work from home remote job that I wanted to mention, and this is the way a way that I've made money for the past year and how I'm currently making money now, is to be an affiliate marketer. So what that means in the online sense is essentially you're promoting other people's products or service and getting a commission from it, because that company that you're promoting for is going to give you a specific link to a product that you're going to promote and drive traffic to and get a commission. Now, I love affiliate marketing because I actually had a big milestone the other day with my income. I was able to do $2,300 in profit in one day just from affiliate marketing. Now, I was like whoa, this is super cool. But that right now is passive income, and I don't want things to get misconstrued. Building up an affiliate marketing business does take a lot of work in the beginning, just like anything else. But if you're willing to put in the work, affiliate marketing is my #1 recommended business model for those that are trying to start not only a work from home job, but also an online business. So you can pick a niche in any type of niche that you have a passion for, such as health, wealth, fitness, make money online. Maybe you're into something like financing, or you're good with credit repair, but basically you build up a niche, or I'm sorry, build up an audience within a niche that you're passionate about, and you're able to drive traffic to different affiliate offers. And so the way that I do it is I actually use YouTube as my main platform to drive traffic to all of my affiliate offers. Now, affiliate marketing could be very, 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 very lucrative. You can make anywhere from, like I said, $20 a day to, like, I just had $2,300 a day. When you start to produce, let's say, a YouTube channel where you have hundreds of thousands of subscribers, like this guy right here, he goes by the name of Think Media. So Sean actually is in the technology niche, so he does a lot of technology reviews, such as cameras, lighting kits, drones, you name it, is probably on this channel, like microphones and stuff. So he gets Amazon affiliate links to all these products. He's able to put them in the description of his YouTube and basically make a passive income and commissions from all these products he's marketing. Now, Amazon specifically gives out, I think, 10% of commissions for products that you sell through your affiliate link. So if you do the math, or even a rough estimate, that's a lot of money that you can make with affiliate marketing. So if you guys are interested more in this business model, I actually have a free training that goes over this in depth. It's beginner friendly for newbies, so go ahead and check that out in the second link in the description. And if you guys are serious about building an affiliate marketing online business, go ahead and check out my #1 recommended system, the first link in the description. It is how I'm able to produce a full-time income from home and be able to work at home or anywhere in the world that I want to. So I hope you guys got some great value from this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Comment below if you're ready to start working from home. And of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in the next video. Take care. Okay, bye.